PowerToys is a free set of utilities from Microsoft that makes Windows faster, smarter, and easier to use. I will walk you through installing PowerToys and then demonstrate the most useful tools with practical, step-by-step examples. First, let's install PowerToys. Open your web browser and search for Windows 11 PowerToys. From the search results, click the GitHub link. Once opened, scroll down to the Download section and click the download link. Select your operating system and the download will start automatically. When the download finishes, run the installer. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Follow the installer prompts and click Install. When the installation completes, the PowerToys screen will open. On the left side panel, you will find all the tools available. To configure the PowerToys, click on the Open Setting button. You can also get to the same screen by typing PowerToys in search box or start menu. Let's explore its interface. On the left side, you'll see many tabs. The options on the right side change based on the tab you select. The Home tab is open by default. At the top center, there is a search box for finding tools quickly. Below that, there is a link to the current PowerToys version's features. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet to view them. Then there is the Message Center, which notifies you about the app. The Quick Access area shows your most used tools. On the right, you'll see a complete list of all the available tools. Some tools are enabled, while others are disabled. To enable a tool, simply toggle the switch on. You'll also find a list of keyboard shortcuts used to access the tools. Now let's click the General tab. The search box is available here as well. You'll also find links to documentation, the GitHub repository, and other resources. The current version number is displayed here. To check for updates, click the Check for Updates button. Click the arrow next to the button to see more update options. Similarly, you can change the language and theme. Now, the tools are divided into relevant categories for easy access. Click the arrow next to each category to see the tools available inside. In the left panel, click on Advanced Paste and turn it on using the toggle switch at the top. Once Advanced Paste is enabled, the shortcut to use it is Windows key, Shift, and V together. You can change this shortcut if it conflicts with another program. When you press Win plus Shift plus V, a small window appears showing different paste options. You can choose to paste plain text, Markdown, JSON, a file, or even extract text from an image. Let's begin with the most common use, pasting as plain text. Suppose you copy some formatted text from a web page or Word document. When you paste it normally, all the colors and formatting come with it. But if you use Advanced Paste, you can remove all that. Just press Windows plus Shift plus V, choose plain text, and hit Enter. Your text will now be pasted cleanly, without any formatting. This is perfect for when you need neat text in Notepad, email, or a document. Now let's look at another example, pasting as Markdown or JSON. Copy any structured text or HTML snippet from a website. then open Advanced Paste with Win plus Shift plus V. If you select Markdown, PowerToys will automatically convert headings, links, and lists into proper Markdown format. If you select JSON, it will try to format your text as a valid JSON structure. This is especially useful for developers or technical writers who often work with data or documentation. Another great feature is creating files directly from your clipboard. Let's say you copied some text and want to save it quickly as a file. Open Advanced Paste, choose Paste to .txt file, and a shortcut is created to the file. It instantly creates a text file with your copied content. Double-click to open it. Similarly, if you copy an image, you can use the same feature to save it as a PNG file without ever opening Paint or any other editor. It's a huge time saver for quick notes and screenshots. Next, let's explore OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This feature extracts text from images. For example, if you take a screenshot that contains some written text, copy it, then press Windows plus Shift plus V and select Extract Text from Image. PowerToys will read the image and display the text it finds. You can review it in the preview pane, make any small edits, and then paste it directly into your document. It's incredibly useful for converting screenshots, scan pages, or error messages into editable text. That's how you use the Advanced Paste feature in Microsoft PowerToys. With just a few shortcuts, you can transform the way you copy and paste in Windows 11. It saves time, keeps your work clean, and opens up new creative possibilities. From the side menu, click on PowerToys Run. Make sure the toggle to enable it is turned on. By default, the shortcut key to open PowerToys Run is Alt plus space. You can change this later if you like, but let's use the default for now. Press Alt and space together. You'll see a small search bar appear in the middle of your screen. This is PowerToys Run. Start typing the name of any app. For example, type Word, and instantly you'll see Microsoft Word appear in the results. Press Enter to open it. You can do the same for Excel, Notepad, Chrome, or any other installed app. You can also use PowerToys Run to launch commands. For example, type CMD to open command prompt, PowerShell for Windows PowerShell, or Calc to open the calculator. It works just like the Run dialog, but much smarter. PowerToys Run can even calculate directly inside the search box. Type 25 times 12, and it instantly shows the result, 300. Click to copy that result to your clipboard. Try typing something like open parenthesis 450 plus 120 close parentheses divided by 3, and you'll see the result in real time. Need to search the web? Just type your query followed by a question mark. For example, type Windows 11 shortcuts question mark and press Enter. Your default browser will open and search it automatically. PowerToys Run also includes plugins that make it even more powerful. For example, type > shutdown to turn off your PC, or > restart to reboot. To manage these plugins, go back to the PowerToys Run settings. Scroll down, and you'll see options to enable or disable plugins like the calculator, window walker, registry search, or service launcher. You can also choose between light, dark, or Windows default themes. And that's how you use PowerToys Run, a fast, practical launcher that helps you work smarter and navigate Windows more efficiently. We'll explore FancyZones, one of the most powerful PowerToys utilities for window management. It helps you create custom layouts for your windows, so you can organize multiple apps side by side with just one drag. Open PowerToys and select FancyZones. Turn it on. Now click Open Layout Editor. You'll see several grid layouts, like 2 columns, 3 columns, or focus mode. You can pick any preset, or click Create New Layout to make your own. Choose the layout type, then click Create. Adjust the size of each area according to your need and then click Save. You can see the custom layout now. Let us open the notepad. While holding the Shift key, click on the title bar of the notepad windows and drag it to the desired location. It will snap perfectly into the zone. This is ideal for multitasking, for example, editing video in one zone while reading notes in another. FancyZones saves time and keeps your workspace organized. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Always on Top feature in Microsoft PowerToys, a simple but powerful tool that keeps any window visible above all others. First, make sure PowerToys is running. Open the PowerToys dashboard and click Always on Top from the left panel. Turn it on using the toggle switch if it is not on already. Note that the keyboard shortcut to run this tool is Windows plus Control key plus T. Now open any window, for example, Calculator. Press Windows plus Control plus T. You'll see a blue border around the window. That means it's now pinned on top. Let us open Paint program and pin it also by pressing the keyboard shortcuts. And now both the programs are on the top of other applications. You can unpin it anytime by pressing the same shortcut again. In the settings, you can change the border color, apply the new color, and open the calculator again. Press the shortcut key and this time the new color is applied. You can also change the thickness of the border from setting by moving the slider in the setting. You can even turn off sound notifications. Always on Top is perfect for multitasking, like keeping notes visible while browsing or watching a tutorial while following steps. This powerful tool lets you copy text from images, videos, or even locked PDF files, just like magic. Let's get started. First, make sure PowerToys is installed and running. Open the PowerToys dashboard and click Text Extractor from the left panel. Turn it on using the toggle switch at the top. You'll see the shortcut key for this tool, Windows plus Shift plus T. You can change it if you like, but let's use the default for now. Now let's try it with a few examples. Example 1, extracting text from an image. Open any image that contains text, for example, a screenshot or a photo with writing on it. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T. Your screen will dim slightly, and your mouse cursor will change. Click and drag a box around the text area in the image. In an instant, PowerToys will copy the text inside that area to your clipboard. Open Notepad or Word, and press Ctrl plus V to paste. You'll see the extracted text appear, clean and editable. This is perfect when you want to copy text from a scanned document or a picture without retyping it. Example 2, extracting text from a video. Let's say you're watching a YouTube video, and you want to copy some text that appears on screen, maybe a quote or a subtitle. Pause the video at the right moment. Now press Windows plus Shift plus T again. Draw a box around the visible text on the video frame. PowerToys will grab that text instantly. You can then paste it anywhere, for example, into your notes or a Word document. This is great for students or content creators who want to capture key points or captions from videos quickly. Example 3. Extracting text from a locked PDF. Sometimes, PDFs are scanned or protected, and you can't select the text directly. That's where Text Extractor really shines. Open the PDF and go to the page that has the text you need. Press Windows plus Shift plus T, select the text area, and release. The tool will copy the text behind that image to your clipboard, even if the PDF doesn't allow selection. Paste it into Notepad or Word, and there it is, fully editable text. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Full Course Online for more easy, practical tutorials like this one.